Mr. Well, TC Coldhane, don't know if that's your name or just your handle. Question regarding the building itself. First, let me say actually, great video. Thank you for this. I'm very interested in what you had to say, and you explained the building very well. A couple things I wanted to ask you about, though. First, the cost of the building. Of course, there was a lot of design that went into this, and the materials that were used, of course, had cost money because of the solar panels themselves. So, do you have any pricing in terms of how much it cost? Secondly, well, actually, the cost of the building as it was built, and how much it would cost if it was just built without those considerations. You didn't mention energy. You didn't mention how much money was being saved in the building, which is also, of course, a big thing to consider. You also, I wanted to ask you about evaporative cooling on the roofs. You didn't talk about the roof very much, and I was wondering if there was any evaporative cooling, for example, using plants as a roofing material, or using some sort of maybe even a hydroponic plant system that used perlite. I've just recently learned about this, but I have reason to believe that these could be plants on the roofs can be very effective in terms of keeping the temperature down in the summer and warmer in the winter. And the design to be right height, I found that to be very interesting. And who were the designers? How can we get in contact with this company if we wanted to design, if we wanted to talk to them about designing other jobs for different organizations? Thank you for your time. Your video is very informative, and I think you've done a great job of explaining it. I just have a few more questions. If you could answer me via comments or directly, I'd appreciate it. Many thanks.